1 kilo of cocoa bean costs between $1.50 and $4. 1 kilo of artisanal single-origin dark chocolate with that same cocoa is worth between $160 and $500. It is not a mistake. It is the highest margin transformation in the entire global food industry, and the machine that converts that bean into that bar costs less than $3,000, imported from China. The global chocolate market was valued at $136 billion in 2024. It is the most consumed food market in the world after rice and wheat. Every person on the planet, on average, consumes chocolate. And the fastest growing segment, artisanal single-origin chocolate and signature bean-to-bar chocolate, grows at 15% annually, while industrial chocolate grows at only 3%. Today we are going to see exactly how to set up a mini bean-to-bar chocolate factory from home, how much each machine costs, what it produces, and how much what it produces is worth in the market. And if you want to import any of these machines directly from China, without intermediaries and without overpaying, the link is in the description. Subscribe and activate the bell. We begin. The most profitable transformation in the food industry. Before seeing the machines, one must understand the mathematics that make this the most profitable business we will talk about on this channel. In 2026, cocoa is produced in a belt of 20 degrees north and south of the equator. Ivory Coast, Ghana, Indonesia, Ecuador, Colombia, Peru, Venezuela, and Mexico produce 95% of the world's cocoa. In most of those countries, the fermented dry cocoa bean is sold in bulk between $1.50 and $4 a kilo, depending on the quality and the origin. Fine aroma cocoa from Ecuador, Colombia, and Venezuela can reach between $5 and $8 a kilo in its specialty version. Premium single-origin hot chocolate powder, 200 grams per box, sale price between $8 and $15. Artisanal roasted cocoa nibs of 100 grams, sale price between $4 and $8. They are the same husked and roasted beans, without grinding, without sugar, the fastest growing snack in the superfood market worldwide. Cold-pressed virgin cocoa butter, star ingredient of natural cosmetics and artisanal white chocolate. Wholesale price between $12 and $25 a kilo. In bulk for cosmetic brands, between $8 and $15. 1 kilo of cocoa bean, 4 product lines, 4 different sources of income. The machines, real price, what each one does. Machine number 1, cocoa bean sorter and cleaner. Price in China, $300 to $800. This machine vibrates and separates the fermented and dry cocoa beans by size and density, removing stones, dust, pod fragments, and defective beans. 1 kilo of poorly sorted cocoa can ruin an entire batch of chocolate because burned or defective beans contaminate the flavor profile of the rest. This is the first machine that enters the chain and the most ignored by those who start. A single batch of 20 kilos of poorly sorted beans can represent the loss of between $150 and $300 in finished product. Machine number 2, rotary drum roaster for cocoa. Price in China, $500 to $2,000. This is the most critical machine of the entire process. Cocoa roasting is where 90% of the final chocolate's flavor profile is developed. The drum rotates the beans continuously while heat is applied uniformly at temperatures between 110 and 140 degrees for between 10 and 20 minutes, depending on the origin of the bean and the profile sought. A cocoa bean from Ecuador has a fruity and floral profile that requires a light roast. A bean from Ghana has a more intense profile that accepts deeper roasts. The roaster that controls temperature and time with precision is the difference between a mediocre chocolate and a memorable one. Drum roasters of between 1 and 5 kilos per batch for small-scale cost between $500 and $2,000 imported. The same machine that roasts coffee, roasts cocoa, Machine number 3, cocoa huller and winnower. Price in China, $400 to $1,500. After roasting, the cocoa bean has a thin, dry husk that surrounds the inner nib. This machine breaks the roasted beans and separates the husk from the nib by density difference using air currents. The nib, the heart of the cocoa bean, contains between 50 and 55% cocoa butter, and the rest are the solids that give the characteristic flavor. The discarded cocoa husk has its own value. It is sold as cocoa husk tea or as artisanal garden mulch. The obtained nib can be sold directly as a premium product without any additional process. Artisanal cocoa nibs are the product with the least processing and highest value perception in the superfood market. 100 grams of artisanal roasted nibs of identified origin are sold between $4 and $8 in health food stores and e-commerce platforms. 1 kilo of cocoa bean at $2 produces approximately 800 grams of nibs. Sold as an artisanal snack, that kilo of bean is worth between $32 and $64, 16 to 32 times the original price, without sugar, without milk, without additional process. If you want to import these machines from China, the link in the description has the complete process without intermediaries. Machine number 4, stone mill or mélangeur for cocoa liquor and chocolate refining. Price in China, $800 to $3,000. This is the central machine of bean-to-bar chocolate. 2 granite wheels rotate on a granite base, crushing the cocoa nibs for between 24 and 72 hours, continuous until reducing them to an ultra-fine paste called cocoa liquor or cocoa mass. During this prolonged grinding time, which is called conching, the volatile acids that produce the astringent bitterness of raw cocoa evaporate, and the complex aromas of the final chocolate develop. The mélangeur can also incorporate sugar, additional cocoa butter, and milk powder to produce milk chocolate or white chocolate. A mélangeur with a 2 kilo capacity costs between $800 and $2,000. One of 5 kilos between $1,500 and $3,000. The final texture of the chocolate depends on how long the mélangeur rotates. Chocolate with 60 hours of conching has a significantly smoother and more complex texture than one with 24 hours. This process time is what differentiates an artisanal chocolate of $10 a bar from one of 20. Machine number 5, chocolate tempering machine. Price in China, $250 to $800. The chocolate after the mélangeur is melted and hot. For a chocolate bar to have the glossy shine, the clean snap when breaking it, and the texture that melts in the mouth without residual fat, it needs to go through the tempering process. The tempering machine heats and cools the chocolate in precise temperature cycles, between 40 and 50 degrees in cooling and 31 to 32 degrees in working, so that the cocoa butter crystallizes into its stable beta form. Without tempering, chocolate loses shine, turns white due to fat bloom, and has a gritty texture. The tabletop tempering machine costs between $250 and $800. It is the most accessible machine in the entire chain and the one that has the most visual impact on the finished product. Machine number 6, mold filler and bubble vibrator. Price in China, $200 to $600. This machine dispenses the tempered chocolate into the polycarbonate or silicone molds with volume precision, and then vibrates the mold to eliminate the air bubbles that produce holes in the final bar. High-quality polycarbonate molds that give the chocolate that glossy mirror finish cost between $5 and $20 each and can be reused hundreds of times. An 80-gram bar uses between 120 and 150 milliliters of liquid chocolate. With a 6-cavity filler and 10-minute cycles between demolding and filling, between 150 and 300 bars are produced per 8-hour workday. Machine number 7, bar wrapper for sales presentation. Price in China, $500 to $2,000. The presentation of an artisanal chocolate bar can triple its perceived price. An 80-gram dark chocolate bar in simple wax paper sells for between $4 and $6. The same bar in gold or silver aluminum foil with a designer wrapper, label of origin, cocoa percentage, producer's name, and production date sells for between $8 and $20. The semi-automatic wrapping machine that wraps between 30 and 80 bars per minute costs between $500 and $2,000 imported. For small volumes of artisanal production, manual wrapping with a premium design is sufficient and has a higher perceived value than the industrial one. Additional product: cold-pressed cocoa butter for cosmetics and baking. Hydraulic press price in China, $600 to $2,000. When cocoa mass is pressed in a high-pressure hydraulic press, two components are separated: the liquid cocoa butter and the defatted cocoa cake. Non-deodorized virgin cocoa butter is the highest-priced cosmetic ingredient in the natural cosmetics market, with a wholesale sale price of between $12 and $25 a kilo for cosmetic brands, and between $30 and $60 a kilo in retail presentation for the final consumer. The defatted cocoa cake is ground to produce natural non-alkalized cocoa powder, the premium ingredient for artisanal baking and functional chocolate beverages. 1 kilo of pressed cocoa mass produces approximately 450 grams of butter and 550 grams of cocoa cake. The total investment and the real business. A complete production line of artisanal bean-to-bar chocolate with these 7 machines has a total cost of between $3,500 and $12,000 imported from China. Depending on the level of automation and capacity you choose. The basic entry-level version with a 2-kilo roaster, basic huller, 2-kilo melangeur, and tabletop tempering machine allows you to produce between 2 and 4 kilos of finished chocolate per workday with an investment of less than $5,000 in equipment. 2 kilos of single origin dark chocolate a day. At a conservative sale price of $120, a kilo in 80-gram artisanal bars at $8 per unit. That is $240 of daily gross turnover. With raw material at $4 per kilo of bean and operating costs, the gross margin exceeds 60%. The investment in equipment is recovered in less than 1 month of active production. The customers that already exist and are looking for this product. Artisanal bean-to-bar chocolate has 3 verified sales channels with active demand in practically any city in the world. The first is gourmet stores, artisanal producers markets, and natural food fairs. The consumer who pays $12 for a chocolate bar already exists in every city with an active urban middle class. The second is distribution to restaurants and boutique hotels that want a differentiating dessert menu with locally or regionally sourced chocolate. The third is direct online sales with a monthly subscription. The artisanal chocolate subscription model, a box of 4 or 6 bars of different origins delivered monthly, has customer retention rates of between 60 and 80% monthly. The customer who discovers bean-to-bar chocolate rarely returns to industrial chocolate. And in practically no market in Latin America, Spain, Italy, or Southern Europe is there yet an organized local producer of bean-to-bar chocolate with its own brand, identity of origin, and established distribution. The final fact that changes everything. Chocolate is the only food in the world that the high-income consumer pays more for than the average consumer. A $4 coffee in a specialty coffee shop is an anomaly. A $15 chocolate bar is a purchase decision repeated week after week by the same consumer in developed markets. The premium artisanal chocolate market has no visible ceiling. European and North American bean-to-bar producers who started with a roaster and a melangeur in their kitchen sell between $50,000 and $200,000 annually today from operations of less than 50 square meters. The machines cost less than $5,000. The raw material exists in dozens of countries in the world. The market is already active and paying a premium price. What is missing is you. If you want to know how to import these machines from China without intermediaries and without overpaying, the link is in the description. And if you already have access to cocoa in your region, leave me in the comments what country you are from and what type of cocoa you have available. Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell, because every week we show machines and industries that move real money without filters. See you in the next video.